Alright guys, what's up? I just finished filming another video, but I wanted to swatch the Maracuja Juicy Lip. Yeah, and I have a few that I picked up from Sephora. The viral one is sold out, but I got Peach Shimmer Glass, Rosy Mauve, Pearl Shimmer Glass, Peachy Beige, Soft Pink, and Berry Shimmer Glass. So stay tuned if you want to see those swatches. All right, I think the first one I'm gonna go in with is this Soft Pink Shimmer Glass. I think that'll be fun. And these you have to kind of click up. My kids were having fun with these this morning. They were swatching them on their hands at breakfast. So this one, I'm trying to see here. I don't see much color, but there is sparkle, and I think what I'm gonna do is like that little flashlight thing, so maybe you could see some of those sparkles. It is a little bit tingly, but it's more of like a, so far it feels like a minty tingly. Oops, wrong thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and maybe zoom in. And hopefully you'll be able to see some of that sparkle there. I'm sorry, you're like looking up my nose. And I'm hoping that I'm able to capture, that I am able to capture that sparkle. It feels really nice on the lips. Yeah, I think it's really, really pretty. And I could see myself getting a lot of use out of this. Like throwing it in my bag. I think this color is really pretty. All right, I'm gonna remove this and I'll be back with the next shade. I am sacrificing my lips for you. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, the next one we have is Pearl Shimmer Glass. I was pretty excited for this one. So it looks white. So I'm pretty stoked to see what this looks like. Ooh, I feel like this one has even more sparkle than the last one. Let me get my little mirror so I can make sure I'm applying. It is like a golden and silver sparkle. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh, this one might be my favorite so far. So far. Okay, I'm gonna do the little flashlight thing. Oh, that's so pretty. Are you guys seeing this? This one is stunning. I love it. It's so pretty, so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna remove this one and I'll be back. I'm cracking open, it's called Peachy Beige. I think this is one of the originals. I don't think this is one of the sparkly ones, but just clicking that up. Oh, so nice. It like melts on. I feel like this melts on even more than the shimmery ones. I feel like I thought the shimmery ones would feel like this. Like super, super glossy and balmy almost. But they still feel really nice. It's just like a completely different feel to the lips from this one. Let me zoom in. This color has no sparkle. but but it's so creamy and pretty. All right, should I do the flashlight trick? Even though there's no sparkle to see. If you're seeing any sparkle, it's stuff left over from the previous shade. But it's very glossy, very pretty. Guys, next shade is called Peach Shimmer Glass. Excited to see what this one looks like. Oh, it is like, it looks like a transparent, most definitely looks peachy, almost like a ballet slipper type of shade. It definitely has like, it's really clear. There's no base tone to it. And I don't see as much sparkle on this one. There is some, but it's not as much as I had thought there would be. And let me zoom you in again. All right, I'm going to do my flashlight. Maybe you guys could see. Hopefully you guys find this helpful. Guys, next shade is Rosy Mauve Shimmer Glass. This is what the color looks like here. This might be my favorite. I love mauve shades. So I'm just gonna do my initial application. Yeah, I think this might be my favorite so far in terms of tone, but the sparkles from that pearly one, so good. This one feels a lot more melty and balmy, like I was talking about with that shade that didn't have sparkles in it. This is closest to that. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in. This shade is just so pretty. That is gorgeous. I really like this one. Can we talk about how vulnerable I feel being so close with my lips so zoomed in? You see like every nose hair. I'm probably growing a mustache. But anyways, this is gorgeous. I really like this one. Okay, let's do the little flashlight thing. The sparkles in this one are beautiful. I'm really liking this one. Next shade. Guys, it's my last and final one that I purchased, and this is called Berry Shimmer Glass. So I'm cracking it open right now. We could see this shade here. That is so pretty. Okay, and it looks like really sparkly, this one. Yeah, once again, this one definitely has much more of that smoother, balmy, super hydrating feel to it in comparison to some of the other ones. And it's so much more pigmented. All right, I'm gonna zoom you guys in. This is really pretty, very sparkly, much more pigmented than the rest, but absolutely gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna do my little flashlight thing. Look at that. Oh, it's so festive and pretty. All right, guys, I'm gonna zoom out and we're gonna chat. Well, I hope you guys found these lip swatches helpful. I feel like I have a lot of fun doing swatch videos, and I feel like it's one of the few things I might actually be good at. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, if you found this video helpful, if there's any other line of products in particular that you would like to see me swatch, even if it's lip products, eye products, just let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time. Oh, also, final thoughts. I really wish that the texture of them all felt the same, but I feel like they're all really beautiful in their own right. I wish that the shades with like all the shimmers were equally sparkly, because I feel like it was kind of hard to see that online in terms of swatches when shopping. So that's another reason why I made this video, because hopefully it'll be helpful to you guys so you can make smart shopping decisions if you're really into sparkly stuff. I hope this video helped, because I try to pick up as many as I can, with the exception of that, I think it was rose something that was out of stock. It was like a rose gold shade from that TikTok video. But if I do end up getting my hands on it, I will let you guys know, and hopefully I will use it in a future video. But yeah, have a great day.